of snow started coming down, but I had to finish editing because I was really tired last night and I just fell asleep. So, yeah. This is what I'm looking at already this morning. And it's only been an hour that it started coming down, so I gotta get out of here. That right there is all ice. It's like a little sinkhole. And it's been like that since last year. And the county still won't come out and fix it. Let's get going, because it's almost an 8-hour drive down to Pennsylvania where I've got to go. Yeah, made it to the first fuel stop, and I should be good all the way to Pennsylvania. There should be about an hour, maybe 2 hours outside of my destination. Another driver told me that he heard that the roads do clear up over there in Pennsylvania, but gotta stop. Right now, these are the road conditions as we speak. Yeehaw. So yeah, that's my day in a nutshell. I'll try and film as I go through the mountains a little bit. We'll see if the roads are clear or not. Later on. This is nuts. I thought these roads were supposed to get better. You be the judge. That's awful bright. Yep, that's what I see in front of me, right there. Well, almost to Youngstown, Ohio, and then the Pennsylvania line after that. But, once again, I'm in crap. Yep, that's what I see, right there. I've got to keep my window down because I got the heat on high for the windshield, and it gets way too hot in here. Gotta pull over for my half-hour break here pretty soon, so I gotta change the battery in the camera, and I've got a sensor out on the front of the truck because it's all full of snow and ice. So onward and upward. Alright, I've been in this rest area for 23 minutes doing my half hour, plus I had to change the battery, clean off that sensor, and go potty. But I just looked out the window. Yeah, that's my mirror. That's the highway. And no, the window is not foggy. This is the parking lot. There was no snow on that 5 minutes ago. Oh, good Lord. This is going to take longer than I thought. Anyway, time to get going. Alright. Left that truck stop, or that rest area, and now I'm doing 34 miles an hour up and down these hills. Not because they're steep or there's a lot of turns on them. No. Because that's my view. For all of you that think that trucking is easy and take for granted what you have on the shelves, this is what we go through to get your stuff to you on time. Yeah, not fun. This is how bad it's getting. My windshield is really freezing up now. I'm only doing 26 miles an hour up this hill. As you can see, that's what I see. Keeps going out of focus because of all the stinking snow. So, I don't know, I might have to pull over soon and just call it a night. My nerves are starting to really get to me right now. Well, I finally made it to the truck stop. Yeah. 2.5 hours from what I should have been here. But I kept running into snow and more snow and more snow until I got to the highest point of the road, which is about 2,200 feet. I know this because there's a sign up there. I'm eating celery for dinner. Let me see, that's tomatoes, carrots, and celery for dinner. And maybe a handful of peanuts. Unsalted cashews, of course. I'm tired. So, I'm going to bed. Do a quick audit. Get up, do it all over again. Oh, and Memphis says that this picks him. Daddy picky. I mean, he used to love grabbing a hold of this beard and just nuzzling with it all night. He wants me to shave it all off. I asked him. What do you guys think? Should I get rid of this, and this? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.